Thomas, you have to click coal truck in the calling plan. Yes, sir. Thomas, you set off. Thomas set off because some coal truck in the calling plan. I will be mad at Twin. Come on. See that? Okay. Now I captured stuff. How do you need to wash it? Okay. No one. That was no one.
Oh no.
Daddy, I found our Thomas again.
Thomas is driving to the haystack.
Thomas is not going to work. Thomas is stop.
Dump all the jelly beans into the stacker.
Yeah, go.
Okay, Thomas is done. Time to go.
Okay, Thomas, you go down here and
Thomas has to go see Sir Topham Hatt now.
No, it's
The conductor.
Yeah.
Thomas has to go see the conductor.
And stop. Thomas, you have to click coal truck in the cooling plan and get jellies, okay?
Okay, conductor.
Once I get there, I'm gonna get, okay? You go, okay?
Okay, conductor, get out of my way so I can go.
Okay, go. Okay.
Oh no, I took a wrong turn.
Don't worry, Thomas, okay?
But this is fun.
Yeah!
Right, this is fun. I'm Thomas and I'm having fun. Uh-oh. What's this? Oh no.
Yes!
Oh! Oh, that wasn't bad at all. There we go.
There we go.
I need a wash down. I'm gonna go get a wash down before I go get the jelly beans.
Okay. Okay, Thomas stopped.
Here we go. Nice and clean.
Okay, Thomas stopped.
On my way to get the jelly beans.
Yeah! Thomas off and the jelly beans. Thomas won the jelly beans. And the cool truck.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Got them all.
Okay, Thomas just set off.
Time to go see conductor again now that I have the jelly beans.
Can't you hear it? Oh, he hears it. Oh, here goes that. You got all the jelly beans?
Yes, I got them all, conductor.
Oh,
You're eating all my jelly beans, conductor.
yeah.
Why are you doing that?
Because I'm legit. I wanna get home and my jelly beans.
I don't know. Appreciate that very much, conductor.
Then Henry saw.
Here's Henry.
Where's from Thomas?
Hey, Henry, how are you doing today?
And I'm doing my wheels are still breaking, but my wheels are breaking.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look.
Oh, man. Well, I had get jelly beans, but the conductor ate them all.
Oh no! Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry too, but I can get more.
Hey, whoa!
Hey,
Slow down.
hey!
Slow down! Look,
That's very rude, conductor. Very rude.
look. Thomas, and good on and Toby he be here.
Toby, but he's square.
Yeah, I think get Kurt.
Okay.
Yeah, get jelly beans right on time.
More jelly beans?
Yes,
Okay.
but no jelly beans.
Okay.
It's all of them. Is it gone?
I'll get more.
Yes.
Okay, well, I guess I'll see you later.
Hello.
Hello, Billy. You have some weird looking teeth.
Yeah, I look like mommy.
Let me guess. Did you suck on your thumb a lot when you were a baby?
Yeah.
I could tell. Your teeth are bucked out. You seriously need to see a dentist.
Well, it's not my teeth. It's not.
It's not your teeth?
Yep.
They look kind of bad to me.
Yep. It looks like bad to me, then.
Yep, that's very bad. What do you think, conductor?
Well, you have to get the new tow truck on the clothing plane.
Okay, well, see you, Billy. Or Thomas say anything about my teeth. My teeth are perfect in every way.
Ouch! It hurt me, Thomas.
Billy, I wanted to say sorry for making fun of your ugly teeth.
That's all right.
They're not that bad. I mean, they're noticeable. But there's more to people than... Quiet, you cow. I'm talking to Billy and his teeth.
Sorry.
Don't worry. I'm pretty sure we can get those things fixed.
Obviously it's not. Okay, obviously it's not. Obviously it's going to get the clothing truck. And they get... Billy, you stay here, okay?
Okay, I'll stay here.
Then Thomas...
Gosh, I cannot get over Billy's teeth. They're just so ugly and weird looking. See?
Whatever.
I better get out of here before my teeth turn like his. I think I'll go talk to Cranky real quick.
Okay. Hey, Cranky.
Hello, Cranky.
Hello.
Did you see Billy's teeth?
Yeah.
Oh man, you can cut through pipe and steel with those teeth.
Yes.
I don't know why he has teeth like that.
But he had teeth on here.
He needs to brush 20 times a day.
There's no new proof truck.
Okay, well, bye, Cranky.
Bye. Sorry, Billy. I think I had a new, but I got you jelly, but I got you toothbrush.
You got him a toothbrush?
Yep.
Well, you shouldn't have brought him no candy, because look at those teeth. Hold on. Let me see those teeth. Excuse me, conductor. Move out of the way.
Me. See, so going.
Still can't get over those teeth.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but just look at those things.
Well, doesn't get the teeth, but
Oh, man. Look at that. And they're gapped. Oh, Lord.
it's really not.
So, conductor, can you get out of my way, please?
Oh.
Thank you. So, Thomas, how are things going for you? Well, Billy, things are going good today. I should go now. Goodbye.
Bye. Please, you stay here, okay? Okay. You stay here, I get some. Okay?
Okay, I want to leave now.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, Keith. I mean, Billy.
Bye. Goose, you'll be right back, okay?
Well, I guess it's time for all of us to go to bed. Our work today is done.
No.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
I said bye. Hello, I'm trying to say bye now. I'll see you all again tomorrow.